How to use Loong Shell. First of all, put a cigarette or cigarillo into this threaded tube. Then put the threaded tube into the Loong Shell, along with the cigarette. Then smoke. There is a replaceable and refillable lighter inside, we'll give 40 pieces of them. Press button, ignition.
And take a medium or slightly strong draw. Stop, draw, stop, draw, stop. Both the drawing and stopping should be very brief. I call it machine gun smoking method.
If you let go, it will be automatically extinguished and the cigarette will be forcibly extinguished. It's because there's a device inside that completely cuts off the air. The cigarette will go out immediately. Every time we light a fire, this threaded tube and cigarette will automatically advance inside. Please note,
after each puff, we have to wait for the Loong Shell to cool down completely. Loong Shell needs rest.
After resting, we can go back to smoking. You can also buy a few more Loong Shells to rotate around. You can also use one Loong Shell with 3 lighters in turn. Both methods are simple. You can smoke continuously. But I still hope you take your health seriously.
The full temperature range combustion of Loong Shell is sure to improve the flavor of natural tobacco. It will become very, very fragrant. We can feel it very clearly. Every time we take a draw, the richness in our mouth is increasing. Every time we take a draw, the richness in our mouth is increasing. It's time to pay attention. We have to stop when the rich is strong enough. We must learn to refrain. The richness is not the higher the better. If the richness is too high, it will cause high temperature combustion, and the flavor will deteriorate. It's very important. The flavor will be slightly different depending on the strength of the draw. That's the charm of natural flavors. Loong Shell can help you break the bad habit of continuous smoking and reduce your addiction, ultimately reaching the highest level of Loong Shell, semi-quitting smoking state. That is, if you want to smoke, smoke a puff. If you don't want to smoke, don't smoke. This is the pursuit of Loong Shell, and the meaning of its existence.
And some people often ask, can we inhale into lungs when using Loong Shell? I must say that the low temperature combustion of the Loong Shell is definitely safer and healthier than that to light the tobacco directly. So it's up to you whether to inhale into your lungs or not.
And Loong Shell doesn't need to waste time to charge battery. If the gas in the lighter runs out, you can refill the lighter or simply replace it.
Some people often ask, is the lighter built in the Loong Shell dedicated? Yes, it is dedicated. This is because the lighter used in the Loong Shell must be a low temperature burning lighter. The dedicated lighter in the Loong Shell is a low temperature burning lighter. Why does it burn at low temperatures? Because it's a flint lighter. The burning temperature of flint lighter is lower than that of electronic lighter. I'll tell you more about why later. There is a manual with our products. We also have detailed video tutorials. And a very important thing, I hope all buyers can email me the problem you are experiencing, or leave a message on our homepage forum. First, I really hope that you will contact me. I hope you will discuss with me. Second, every time the tutorial is updated, I update it in the forum. Thirdly, it will be interesting for all the users to exchange experiences together. In China, we have gathered a very large number of user groups on WeChat. We hope that users outside of China will also actively participate in the discussion in the forum. Don't be afraid of language problems. Use your native language, we can translate to communicate. If there's something you don't understand, I will be glad to teach you. I'd really like to make our web forum a knowledgeable forum. Loong Shell is creating a completely new theoretical system. The more people involved, the faster our theoretical system matures.
The Loong Shell makes smoking control and quieting less painful. Loong Shell will guide you to learn how to smoke well with good flavors, and also guide you to put cigarette down and not keep smoking continuously. Loong Shell will use good flavor to guide you to learn not to inhale, and it will also guide you not to keep smoking continuously. The powerful smoking control ability of Loong Shell should be easy for everyone to understand quickly. There's no need for me to say more.
You don't need to hold the Loong Shell all the time. You smoke one puff and then you can put it down and do something else. This is the main usage scenario. For example, when you are driving and waiting for a traffic light, or when you are working, or when you're playing a game. You don't have to hold it all the time. You smoke one puff and you can do what you have to do.
Do what you should do, spend your time on more meaningful things, and don't be constrained by smoking addiction.
You can just put it down and do your things. Go to work, go to drawing, go to the computer, etc. Loong Shell maximizes the value of each cigarette. Previously we lit cigarette directly. Actually, we smoked a little part of cigarette. A large part of it was burned for nothing. But Loong Shell saves a lot of tobacco. Cutting off the air immediately after smoking makes the tobacco go out immediately. In this way, the value of tobacco can be used to the fullest.
You must have already understood that Loong Shell is very saving tobacco. 1 cigarette, 1 hour. So buying Loong Shell is not spending money, but saving you a lot of money.
Our tutorials are divided into beginner, intermediate, and advanced tutorials. We recommend that beginners start with regular cigarettes. Once you are fully proficient, you can use other types of tobacco, for example, small diameter cigarettes or cigars, pipe tobaccos. There are very detailed video tutorials. And they're all very simple. If you're serious, you can basically learn it all in a day. The Loong Shell is definitely a little harder than smoking cigarette or smoking cigar, but compared to tobacco pipe, it's very simple. Without realizing it, this cigarette is finished, because this threaded tube has moved to the end. Let's see what ash looks like. First open the lid and the ash falls out. That's half of the ash. Let's take out the threaded tube. This is the remaining ash, which has already gone out automatically. Then see if there's any ash left inside. It is very clean. And then we can put the lid on. And then repeat what we did at the beginning, just inserting cigarette into the threaded tube and putting them in.